Third sum, figure 12.3 depicts an arbitrary target marked with a 5 scoring region from the center outward as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21 centimeter and each of other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. This is the diagram 12.3. It is given one circle with a gold region. For this, diameter is given as 21. Diameter is given for you 21 and followed by the red region and then followed by that blue, then black and then white. Each width for this red region width is given as 10.5. For this blue region also width is 10.5 and so on it continues till the white region. So from the question what are the informations are given means it is given as 5 region gold, red, blue, black and white. Diameter is given as for the gold region it is 21. For each succeeding band it is 10.5 centimeter wide. We are supposed to find the area. So what are the informations is given is diameter of the gold region is given 21 centimeter and wide of each band, that is width of each band is given as 10.5 centimeter. We are supposed to find area of each region. So for the first gold region it is a solution. Gold region diameter is given as 21. From that I can find radius. For this first region is the gold region, so I am taking it as R1. Radius is equal to 21 by 2 which is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Now I am going to find the area of the gold region. So area of gold region is nothing but area of the circle only. It is in the form of circle. So if I am taking the circle formula, what is that? Pi r square. Since it is the first region, I am mentioning that r1 square. So 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. I am substituting the r value. So when I am simplifying, I will get 364.5 centimeter square. Second part in the diagram is given as red region. So red region R2 is equal to first radius 10.5 plus this width 10.5. Width is given as 10.5. So R2 is equal to gold region plus width of the red region. So 21 centimeter. Now area of the red region is equal to area of the red circle minus area of the gold circle will give you the red region. So what is the formula? Area of the red circle I am going to take it as pi r2 square. So I want the region red region alone. So I have to take red region minus this gold region, that is pi r2 square, this red region pi r2 square minus gold region pi r1 square. From this case, I can take pi as common, then I will get r2 square minus r1 square. R2 value is 21, r1 value, that is gold region, is 10.5. So 21 square minus 10.5 square, it looks like a square minus b square. So what is the formula? A plus b, a minus b. So I am splitting that 21 plus 10.5, 21 minus 10.5. When I am simplifying, pi value I am substituting 22 by 7. When I am adding 31.5 into here 10.5. So 7 and this 10.5 I can cancel 1.5 times. Now multiply 31.5 into 1.5, I will get 1039.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the red region. Next case, area of the blue region, that is R3. That is previous centimeter R2, that is 21 plus 10.5, 31.5 centimeter, that is the value of R3. So area of the blue region is equal to area of the blue circle minus area of the red region, that is pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. Pi I am taking it as common, r3 square minus r2 square. R3 value is 31.5 substituting, minus r2 is 21 square. So 22 by 7. When I am taking that a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Add up these two terms, 52.5, subtract here 10.5. Now simplify, multiply and write. You will get 1732.5 centimeter square. The next is black region. For black, I am rating the radius as 4. Previous one 31.5 plus 10.5. For this radius is 42. So area of the black region is equal to area of the black circle minus area of the blue circle. That is pi r4 square minus pi r3 square. Taking pi as common, then substituting r4 value 42 square minus r3 31.5 the whole square. Now it looks like a square minus b square. Expand and simplify, you will get 2425.5 centimeters square. Last, white region. Radius r5 is equal to previous radius 42 plus width 10.5 will give you 52.5 centimeter. Here area of the white region is equal to area of the white circle minus area of the black circle. So pi r5 square minus pi r4 square. Taking pi as common, r5 square minus r4 square, substituting the value 52.5 square minus 42 square, it looks like a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b. Simplify, we will get 94.5, subtract 10.5, we can cancel here 1.5 time, the rest all the three numbers multiply, you will get 3118.5 centimeter square. Fourth sum, the wheel of a car of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete rotation does each wheel take in 10 minutes? When the car is traveling at the speed of 66 km per hour. So what are the information it is given? Diameter is given for you 80 centimeter. So I am writing diameter is equal to 80 centimeter. From this I can write radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 80 by 2 40. And here time is given as 10 minutes. So time is equal to 10 minutes. When I am converting into hours, I will get 10 by 60 hours. Speed is given as 66 km per hour. They are asking you to find what is the number of how many complete rotation, that is number of rotation in 10 minutes. They are asking you to find. So solution, this is the formula. Number of rotation is equal to distance covered by the wheel divided by circumference of the wheel. This is the formula. So these are the informations given and this is what we are going to find. So using the formula only we are going to find. So distance covered by the wheel, distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is given as a 66 and time is given as 10 by 60 hours. Since it is given as hour speed, we are converting the time also in terms of hours. So when I am simplifying, 11 hours. Now this 11 hours distance is given in centimeter. So I am going to convert this kilometer to centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. So when I am multiplying, I am getting this 1150 centimeter. Now circumference formula is equal to 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 40. So I am substituting here. Number of rotation is equal to, what is the formula? Distance covered by the wheel divided by circumference of the wheel. Distance covered by the wheel is 11 lakh. So writing 11 lakh divided by circumference 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. When I am taking the reciprocal, this is 7 will goes to the numerator. Then simplify this, cross multiply and simplify as many times maximum. I have cancelled with the 2 table, then I have cancelled with again this 22 table, then with the 4 table I have cancelled. So 625 into 7, answer is 4375. Therefore the wheel makes 4375 complete rotation in 10 minutes. Thank you.